What you making, Grandpa?
Hey, it's D.I.Y. Grandpa here, and just been working on these stepping stones. This was kind of a overgrown path, and I've cut the bushes back and revealed the stepping stones, but honestly, they're more of a tripping hazard for my grandchildren than they are a help. I know when it gets muddy, it'll help me, but I want to make the stones more of a stairway than these obstacles. So I think I'm going to bury them a little bit and level them out and see how that works. So all I really have is a small shovel. You can use any small shovel. It doesn't have to be 100 years old. And I raided my wife's gardening supplies today and got this little hoe, this little hand hoe that I'll chop out with. It's good for chopping the roots. Little trowel and my level. So these are the tools I'm going to use for this project. Should be fun. Well, so I'm going to start on this stone right here. I think what I'll do first is I'll just kind of mark the outline. This shovel, by the way, is one of my favorites. I got it from my grandfather, and I know it's over 100 years old just because I've had it for 40 years, and he probably had it for that long, and maybe his father, I don't know. The wood is what makes me think that it's 100 years old. But I'm going to mark this outline of this stone right here. And then I'm just going to move it and start digging the front of the hole out, and the back will be exposed. So as I dig this out, then I'll put the stone back in place and just use my little level here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm trying to get these stones to be flatter on the top so that it's more like a stairs than a path with a bunch of obstacles in it. What do you think, buddy? Think this is a good plan? I've got the spot dug out for my stone now. I'm just going to kind of rest it here, and yeah, it's level enough. Certainly isn't a tripping hazard anymore for the kids. And now I'm just going to kind of fill in with some of the dirt that I dug out, and it's a better tread, better thing to walk on. So now I have a bunch more to do. All right, well, you can see I'm making some progress, and so I'm gonna kind of straighten this line out here on these stones. I did get a hat because it's sunny and I don't want to get my head sunburned. So I've got the hat, and let's work on a stone. And just like that, nothing to it. Now to the next one. So I think the path has definitely improved. The stepping stones are more level, and just by kind of chipping into the bank, it made it possible for us to level those out, and it's more like a stairs now than an obstacle course. So that's definitely an improvement. Okay, well, I guess we're all done, and I'm happy with the way that the steps turned out. It'll be definitely better for the grandkids, and it'll keep the mud off my feet when it's raining. Anyway, I hope this gave you some ideas and some inspiration. If there are some stepping stones at your place that you don't like so much, just level them out. And it gave me a little bit of a stairway here instead of an obstacle course. Till next time.